Okay.
Hi, Raina.
Hello.
How are
How are
you?
you? Oh, I'm great.
That's good. Got my little one here too. Come on up. Come on up over the side. Come on.
Is
She was
that
just going
Ginger?
to say hi too. Yeah,
Hi,
little Ginger.
Gingy.
Little Ginger. There she is. Okay, baby. She's
She's so
sliding.
I love her sweater. That's so cute.
Well, she's getting ready for Christmas now. So
Mm-hmm.
she's got her little holiday sweater.
She's Santa's favorite helper.
Yeah, it's cold now out here.
Is
But
it?
that's not why we're here. We're not here to small talk about Ginger. So we want to make sure you guys know about Healed for the Holidays, the 30-day Reiki challenge. And you've been through my 30-day challenges before. So
Yes.
why don't you say something about that, Raina?
So for my first 30-day healing challenge, I struggled the first couple of days. And then one of our students participated and created that log to check off every day.
All
After
right.
that, it became a breeze to just
This,
complete it.
oh,
Yes.
you know what?
It's not going to show up because of the background,
I've got the back.
but we
Okay,
can
here we
find it
go.
in the community, in
Yeah,
the
there
shopkeep
it is.
community.
There it is. Okay,
And
good.
I felt that it helped me a lot with the way that I communicated.
Uh-huh.
Usually, I'm a stutterer. I stutter a lot. But after practicing that practice, the charts, the Reiki, the journaling, and all, I felt more confidence within my voice. So it was easier to involve myself around with family. So now for the Healed for the Holidays, we know we're going to see family. We know it's going to be a lot of energy that we're receiving because we are sensitive to energy. So it is important to take care of ourselves and to be okay mentally, spiritually, and most importantly, just put you first.
Uh-huh.
If you put you first, then you can take care of everyone else because you can't pour from an empty cup.
You're so good. You said it better than I could have said it.
Oh, yes.
And, all of you are part of my Reiki family. And what I call you is bringers of the heart, because we're
Mm,
really here to bring more love and acceptance to the planet. And when you
yeah.
can bring that love and acceptance to yourself, then it's much easier to share that with others. And we certainly need a shift in the energy on the planet. And it starts with you.
That's
So
right.
thanks to those of you that are here in the community. Please join us in the Healed for the Holidays 30-day Reiki challenge. And you'll get to see Raina and other Reiki sisters. Raina's going to be offering some readings. What are you going to offer, Raina?
So for anybody that feels lost or just questioning, what are we doing? What's going on? Feel free to reach out to me. I'll put in my social media or phone number so we can text.
And they're supposed to win a session with you.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Well,
To win a session from you.
win a session, but if you have questions or are lost, my DMs are always open to help and to answer any questions.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Okay. We look forward to seeing you guys and Healed for the Holidays.
Yeah, I won't regret it, and you're gonna love every second.
Yeah, good, good. Thank you so much. Oh,
Thank
my hand's
you.
gone. Bye.
Bye.